In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download and install TikTok Studio. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android phone, downloading and installing TikTok Studio can transform your content creation experience. This powerful tool provides advanced editing features like multi-layer timelines, professional effects, and precise audio synchronization. To do this, simply head to your App Store for iPhone, and if you're using Android, head to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok Studio. Here you'll see the application. Head to it and tap on Download. It will start downloading automatically. Once done, tap on Open. To add your TikTok account, tap onto the profile icon and navigate onto this very last option of Add Account. This enables optimizing content creation workflows and offering features beyond the app's built-in editor. Well, that's how easy it is to download TikTok Studio. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.